Do it in a left-right order. Lay the arm flatwise and apply oil from the lower arm to the entire arm with two hands till the hand slide out, and repeat it for 3 times. Push the entire arm with two palms doing alternately. Repeat 3 times. Push large intestine channel, triple energizer channel, small intestine channel of outarm respectively, till armpit with the V-shaped wabbit area between thumb and index finger of two hands. Repeat 3 times. Caress the treated part. Repeat 3 times. Wrap the 3 channels and clitoris of uparm respectively with the leaning fingers till it turns hot, and do it back and forth. Repeat 3 times. Caress the treated part. Repeat 3 times. Lay the arm upwards and push lung channel, pericardium channel, heart channel of inner arm till armpit with the V-shaped wabbit area between thumb and index finger. Repeat 3 times respectively. Wrap the 3 channels and clitoris back and forth with the leaning fingers till it becomes hot. Repeat 3 times. Caress the treated part till the ham slide out. Do the same on the other side. Apply a proper amount of gel to arms, 1 minute. "40K fat dissolving." 40K can burst the fat and then discharge it through body metabolism. Set energy parameters. Set time at 15 to 20 minutes. Set energy level between 3 and 7. It's advised to select M1. Technique: lay the arm flatwise and push from the fat part of lower arm to armpit along the 3 channels and clitoris. Repeat 3 times. Move circle-wise to armpit along the 3 channels and the clitoris. Repeat 3 times. Push to armpit along the 3 channels and the clitoris. Repeat 3 times. Lay the arm upwards and push from upper arm to armpit along the 3 channels and the clitoris. Repeat 3 times. Move circle-wise on the fat part of upper arm to dissolve fat. Repeat 3 times. Push the 3 channels and clitoris of upper arm to armpit. Repeat 3 times. Remove the extra gel from the arms and clean it with hot towel. Apply RF cream evenly to the arms. RF tightening and sculpting. RF can stimulate collagen regeneration, boost the sculpting, and prevent the skin from loosening and sagging. Set energy parameters. Set the time at 20 to 30 minutes. Set the energy level between 3 and 7. It's advised to select a norm. Push from lower arm to armpit along the 3 channels and the clitoris. Repeat 3 times. Push the 3 channels and clitoris of upper arm to armpit. Repeat 3 times. Push from lower arm to armpit with hands along the 3 channels and clitoris. Repeat 3 times. Lay the arm upwards and start from upper arm Pushing the 3 channels and clitoris to your armpit. Repeat 3 times. Move circle-wise to your armpit along the 3 channels and clitoris of upper arm. Repeat 3 times. Push the 3 channels and the clitoris of upper arm to armpit. Repeat 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Set energy parameters. Set the time at 20 to 30 minutes. Set the energy level between 3 and 7. It's advised to select a norm. Clean the arms with hot towel.